What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid-fade on my boy Damien, so stay tuned. We're starting off by making our first guideline with our gold FX contouring to his head shape. Now that we're done balding him out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Before we erase our initial guideline, we're going to move on to some shave stick and use our foil shaver to remove all the stubble. Now that all the stubble is removed, we can move on to our no guard all the way closed and halfway and remove that initial guideline. Now that we've blended out the initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. You're going to use this same exact guard to soften up this line and get ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now I'm detailing with my no guard all the way open using the raking technique. That's when you tilt your clipper at a 90-degree angle and use the length of the teeth to fade. Switching over to our two guard all the way open, we're going to create our fourth guideline. This will get us ready for our 1.5 guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we can move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Now I'm using the 3 guard all the way open, and I'm going about a millimeter right above the 2 guard all the way open. Now I'm going back to the fade and debulking the sides because there's a little bit of darkness that I didn't like. So I'm using a 3 guard all the way open, a 4 guard all the way closed, and a 2 guard all the way open. Now that fade's looking pretty blurry, we're gonna be moving on to the back side pretty soon. Moving on to his hairline, I'm going to be using my Goat FX to line them up and make them as crispy as possible. I always like to start off my hairlines in the middle and work my way to the side that's lowest. When lining up my C-cups, I always like to start at the bottom half and work my way to the top. Using my Derby Premium blades and Turkish razor, we're gonna make him as crispy as possible.